Okay, are we ready? Game na ba kayo? Yes, this show is called #birthday with the Pa-Baby Girls. Yung mga pa-baby dyan, ang dami. Hello, te. Mamaya tip pa, tip. And also, we are celebrating the birthday of our Apo Babe, Maricel. She's turning 65 today, okay? Pero mukha lang siyang 64. Batang-bata, virgin pa po yan. Pa-dim light ng konti. First of all, thank you very much for coming tonight. Even train are on strike and very traffic. To all the foreign nationality, forgive my English. My English is very limited. So don't talk too much. Okay. Girls, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Apo Babes with Cheche Bureche.
Like a river.
Hello, thank you very much.
Hello.
Hiningal ako. Penging pansit.
Ayon.
Thank you very much, guys. Nagustuhan nyo ba? Ha?
Hindi ata malakas eh.
Teka, yung suso ko nalalaglag.
Para napilitan, no?
Kaya nga,
Sound check.
napilitan. Anyways, thank you very much again for coming. This is also a birthday celebration
Yes,
of
maraming salamat po
Maricel.
sa pagdating nyo.
Yes, bati na kayo.
Ay,
Hiningal ako.
Yan. Oh, nais ko nga palang batiin ay yung mga, welcome to my visitor out there. And also, yeah, don't forget.
Ayun. Sino may birthday dyan?
Wala, ikaw lang
Wala
ata.
ba? Ako lang
Special
ba?
birthday.
Hindi ata may birthday.
You're the only one.
May birthday si ate.
Sino dyan?
Si ating nakagputi.
Hi ate, oo ka-birthday ko.
Happy
Oh.
birthday po. Oh.
She just turned 25.
Wow, so young.
Sana all.
25 years ago.
Sana all.
And is there anyone who's celebrating birthday as well? Meron din doon.
Meron.
Oh, that's my visitor also. You know.
That's your visitor.
Wow,
Yes.
dami yung friend Abigail.
Happy birthday po. I didn't know that.
Pag wala kaming naramdaman
thank you so
dyan mamaya meron pa sa likod.
Hindi ako updated dun
So maybe invite all the celebrators please on stage.
Sino
Para
dyan?
sabay-sabay
Gusto
natin
nyo
kantahan.
Sino may birthday dyan? Pupuntahan ko.
Ayaw nga.
Ako na manghila. Hi kuya, birthday mo
Hiningal ako
rin?
dun.
Oh, si ate.
Halika po.
Sino may birthday dito
Ay,
po?
Sa
dito
VIP,
Balacan po.
sino may birthday
Really?
dyan?
Apat kayo.
Dito.
Nasa stage na.
Ay, halika ate.
Ate, dito
Mag-celebrate tayo ng birthday
Karen,
natin. Ayan.
May apat.
Sino pa? Sino pa?
Doon sa bisita ni
Sino po?
Abby.
Sino po?
Halika ate.
Wow.
Kuya
Ayan.
pa ready ng
Oh
birthday
my
song.
God! Ang
Aray ko.
dami! Ate, do you wanna go out there? Kasi may birthday po kayo.
Dito po, ate.
Nahiya si ate.
Hindi.
Oh.
Nagpapahila
Halika
yan.
natin.
Ano po?
Sino
Ito ang my
pa?
birthday.
Si ate na lang doon representative.
Ito ang my birthday.
Yeah.
Doon sa likod, sa likod,
Ayan.
sa likod.
Ikaw-
Happy sa likod.
At birthday mo rin.
Yes, can we invite you please?
Come join with us.
Sino pa?
Hindi ka mapapasubo. Alalalayan ka namin.
Sino ba dyan?
Come ka
Sino?
mo rin. Oh, happy birthday.
Ayan, si Ganda pala, birthday din niya.
Kahit
Halika,
yung mga
Ganda.
2 years nang tapos.
Ah, okay lang. Thank you, sir.
Ha? Halika na,
Mabuti, yeah.
Ayaw.
Yehey!
Ayan.
Halika, minsan lang to.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, diba?
Oh, di ba sexy?
Sa inyo,
Ang
sino may
sexy
birthday
nung
dito?
dala ko.
Yes.
Yeah.
Asa na si
Sino
Maricel?
pa?
You are.
Okay. Wala na.
Nalamon?
Girl, gagutom na ako. Diyos ko.
Nahiya. Actually,
Ayan.
ayan. Tanungin natin isa-isa. Birthday celebrant. What's your name? Charot.
Oh.
Geraldine.
Ha?
Geraldine.
Hiningal ako.
Geraldine. Kailan yung birthday mo today?
Ay, ayaw.
Oh, nung
Bakit
16. Thank you for celebrating here, ha? Ikaw ate, anong pangalan mo?
Janet,
Kailan yung birthday mo talaga?
the 15th.
The 15, sabay kayo ni Maricel.
Wow.
Oh.
Dalhin mo.
Ikaw, te, kailan birthday mo?
Tapos na.
Isang buwan lang napos?
Buwan.
2 buwan na? Ay, baba ka na uli.
Representative Josie. Kasi yung tatlong may birthday, ano po
Ay,
mo?
sino ito pang may birthday? Ate Gigi. Ate
Ang
Net.
saya-saya naman, ang dami pala. Maganda
Diyos ko,
yung
bakit
hashtag
ayaw umakyat
natin.
dito?
Welcome po.
Che, maganda pala yung hashtag natin kasi puros lahat.
Kaya nga
ay
hashtag
may
birthday. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for celebrating with Apo, okay? Kantahan natin sila, okay ba sa inyo yon?
Sabayan natin, okay?
Yes? Okay, kuya, please.
Sabay-sabay tayong lahat.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan,
Hey!
maraming salamat.
Thank
Sa
you
lahat
very
may
much
birth-
po. Happy birthday and have a nice
Birthday sa ating lahat.
Hope you enjoy the night, ate, ha?
Ayan, mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi.
Yes. Magbibigay kami sa inyo ng magandang show tonight. O, magpakilala kayo. Sino ba kayo?
Yes, I'm Bobacious.
And
I am Abigail and we are the Apple
Apple
Bay.
Apo Babe.
Yan. Pero si Cheche yung original na Apo Bay.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Biruin mo, 2-in-1,
Yes.
right?
Kaya siya
Oh,
yun.
diba?
2-in-1 ba yun?
Eh, syempre. 2-in-1, ginawa mo naman akong ko pa eh.
O, diba?
Thank you. Sa mga dumarating, magandang gabi po.
Ayan, welcome po.
Ay, si Kuya, si Ate Susan. Susan, hello, good evening.
Ayan, good evening to everyone.
Thank you for coming.
O, dito sa mga bisita ni
Okay.
Ate Sel. Yan. Good evening, everyone.
Walang kwenta yung VIP.
Wala, kasi
Walang magbibigay ng tip dyan. Guys, nananawagan kami ha, kapala ng mukha ito. Mahirap po ang buhay ngayon. Kaya pag nasiyahan naman po kayo, maliban sa palakpak at pagsigaw, magbigay naman po kayo ng tip. Tumatanggap po kami ng cash, pati ng card, o isasama sa bill. Okay? Kapala na ng mukha ito. Sige, parang gutom sila at kumakain
Oo,
pa.
pakainin muna natin.
Yes. O
Ayan.
sige.
Anong oras
Welcome
na
po
rin
sa Apo Bar, yung mga bagong dating po natin.
Yes.
Good evening.
And tomorrow is Mother's Day.
Yes, that is tomorrow, right?
Mother's Day UK version.
Advance Happy Mother's Day
to
po
all of
Sa lahat po
Yes.
ng mother, sa aming pinaka-mother, si Ate Eileen, Happy
Yes.
Mother's Day po. At sa lahat ng mga single dad. Single
Single
dad.
dad. Kasama ka single dad.
Yes. Ang sexy ko dyan, di ba? Sa picture.
Ayan.
Di ba?
Ang papayat namin dyan ngayon, para kaming busog. Namumutok ang tiyan.
Hindi ako kumain mula kaninang umaga.
Di ba?
Hindi kayo.
Halata naman pagka-sexy.
Kaya after the show, I will eat.
Kami ni Abig, may kabag kami, kaya
Oo.
namumuo yung tiyan.
Teka, bakit parang wala ako nakikitang lalaki? Malabo ba ang mata ko?
Ayan siya, si Kuya.
Ate Karen, maraming lalaki ngayon.
Ay,
oh.
ito! Gwapo
Ito.
to eh. Coco Martin.
Si Coco Martin ba yan?
Coconut Martin. doon sa banda, doon sa bintana. Ang daming lalaki, pero panghe. Parang,
Makunat na yan,
parang
ma'am.
makukunat yata ito. Tapos doon naman, si Lito lang, tsaka si Abi. Si Abe, o.
Yun si Abe.
Yun lang. Dito naman, hi foreigners.
Hello.
Hello foreigners.
Wala siyang pakialam sa'yo.
In English lang.
I will try my best. Is that your wife or girlfriend? Hello? Wife, girlfriend? Yeah. Wife.
Oh my God. Ate Karen, mamaya ka raw, sabi niya.
Wala na namang bisita si Ningning. Si Ningning po ay 3 years nang dinadadalaw.
Dalawin nyo naman.
Dalawin nyo naman, malaki rin to.
Umiiyak na yan.
Kagabi nga sinusuklay ko siya. Sabi ko, Ning, huwag ka mag-alala, makakaluwag-luwag din tayo.
Oh, di ba?
Kaso wala eh. Sir,
Hep, hep.
Sir, is that your wife or girlfriend?
Gutom na gutom.
Is that your wife or girlfriend?
Meron silang Bible study,
Kapag-
Ate Karen.
Parang hindi ako naintindihan ah. Ilocano yata yan, akala ko ba English?
Di mo nga alam kung English yan or ano,
Is that your
Bisaya.
wife? Sir, is that...
Wala ka silang pakialam sa'yo.
Pero nga no wireless.
Doblehin mo yung mic.
Pinapainit mo yung ulo ko, sir eh.
Patay ka ngayon.
You know my English is very limited. Pinuntahan. Sir, do you understand English? Is that your wife or girlfriend? Girlfriend?
Yes.
Girlfriend?
Yes.
How many years? 2 days?
1 year.
1 year? I bet there's no forever. You will not reach 2 years. Is that your final answer?
So 2 years.
2 years, okay. Are you
Nagbalita.
sure? Mukhang si ate ang hindi sure. You speak English?
Kumusta ka? Mabuti.
Kamusta ka, mabuti? Is that down there mabuti too? Do you understand what I said?
No.
Okay. This your girlfriend? She's your girlfriend. Is that your final answer? Mas maganda naman ako dyan. Charot. This one. Hi, sir. Oh. Are you with somebody?
Yes.
Wash the name.
What?
Wash the name.
Samantha?
Samantha. Oh. You are so lucky, girl. How many years?
Long.
1 night. Oh. Good luck para bukas. Anyways, Diyos ko, ang daming babae.
Marami
Kaya
pang
nga, wala man lang ako mauuwi mamaya. Ikaw, kuya, pwede ka ba iuwi mamaya? Is that your girlfriend too?
Yes.
My God, baka hindi kayo marunong pumili. Hi, kuya. Kuya, are you a man? No. Okay. Magsisimula na po ang aming show. Apo Babes will sing their first set. Are you ready, guys? Ready na ba kayo? Wala akong marinig.
Ready na ba ang lahat? Para makipag-ingayan sa amin?
Okay, pwesto na, girls. Are you ready? Kuya, ready? Ang ganda ko naman dyan. Huwag mong tanggalin yung picture. Huwag mong tag. Okay. Teka, mamadali. May pupuntahan ko, ya. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Apo Babes! Palakpakan naman dyan!
lalo na kung the filter sa camera. Ito ang ganda'y ibandera. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Ako'y magiging ako na aming kilos na makabugera. Ganda ko'y ilarangan, di magpapatinag sa sasabihin ng iba. Makabugera, ganda ko'y ilarangan, ang kulay kong ganda sa lahat ng iba. Sa tuwing napaparaan, naginig ang bulungan na ako'y di kagandahan, ngunit ako'y walang pakialam. Di ko kailangan magpaganda, dati ko palang panalo na. Di ko need ang payo ng iba, pero aking ganda. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Ako'y magiging ako na aming ginusto. Makabugera, ganda ko'y ilarangan, di ko magpatinag sa sasabihin ng iba. Makabugera, wala pa yung karisma, ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat ng iba. Makabugera, makabugera. Kunya ako mabuti ng standard na sinasabi nila. Ano man ang iyong gawin, talagang masasabi sila. Suot ang iyong kurunat, gumawa na parang rena. Ako'y magiging ako na aming ginusto. Makabugera, ganda ko'y hinarangan, di magpapatinag sa sasabihin ng iba. Makabugera, maapaw ang karisma, ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat ng iba. Makabugera.
Ubus hangin. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Salamat po. Ayan. This is our first song for you guys. I hope you all guys enjoy it. Yes, and
Ayan. So, what is our second song?
pagod agad.
Dry na agad. Ayan.
Hingal na hingal,
Hindi kasi
no?
kanina kasi, makwento ko lang, kami ay kabado talaga. Kasi first time ni Abigail na kakanta kaming dalawa lang. So, dapat po tatlo kami. So, may mga hindi magkaano ang aming schedule, kaya dalawa na lang kami. Ayan.
But still, the alphabet is still here
Yes.
to perform for you guys. Yeah.
Sinago.
Ano na?
So,
Okay,
our
let's play our
second
next
song. Uminit ako.
Enjoy ba?
Nag-enjoy ba kayong lahat? Kasi kami umiinit na.
Umiinit na.
Ayan.
Oh my God. Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa? More pa daw.
Can I have a water, please? Nag-dry na
Humingi
kami.
ng tubig tuloy.
Sandali lang. Break muna.
Oh, thank you so much. May newcomers na dumating nga pala sa aking bisita. Thank you so much po. Ayan. So, actually, our first set is actually a rock. Like, because we do like, ano nga yung, rock, something like
Yeah,
that.
it's
you know?
slow rock.
Yeah, slow rock.
At
So,
the same time.
we choose to have this and we have a vote same hilig. O, di ba? Nahirapan sa English, no? Sige.
O, Tagalogin mo
I-push
na.
mo yan. I-push
Baka
mo yan,
mag-nose
English na yan.
tayo.
Sige.
Maaga pa masyado. Okay.
Kuya, yung pangalawa po, please.
Ayan.
Yes.
Our third song is about When I Dream About You. Yun na nanaginip ka lang
In Tagalog?
sa akin. Nanaginip ka sa akin. Ganun ba yun? Pag-correct na lang. Ayan.
How is everyone's doing?
Wala na
Okay po.
sila. May
Very
Bible
good.
studies na
Oh.
ulit. Ayan.
Ayan. Okay, let's play our next song. So, at least we can relax a bit. Alam mo yun?
Ayan. This is for you guys. know this song, guys. Please sing with us. There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you are. You were more than a dream I could reach out in time. That was long ago. There are some things that I guess I never know. When you love someone, you got to learn to let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything's alright. You're in my arms, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, will you never go away? Just close my eyes, bring for my dream, 'cause I still loving you. Hey! How can I get you to see that I'm falling apart since you've been gone? I can never be sure, I can never let go. Your love is much too strong. There are some things that I guess I never know. When you love someone, you got to learn to let them go. When I dream about you, yeah, just everything's alright. You're in my heart, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, oh, you never go away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dream, 'cause I still loving you. Yeah! Can you say hey, hey with us, guys? Hey, hey! One more! Hey, hey! There was something that I guess I never know. When you love someone, you got to learn to let them go. Let's go, Abby! When I dream about you, when there's everything's alright, you're in my heart, you're next to me forever. When I dream about you, will you never go away? Just close my eyes, wait for my dream, 'cause I still loving you. Yes! We're still loving you, guys! Happy birthday sa lahat na mag-celebrate ng birthday ngayong gabi. Sana mag-enjoy kayong lahat. At order for more. Yes! Kaya pa, Abigail? Kaya pa?
Sa tingin ko, kakayanin pa natin to.
So, this is
Basta
our...
para sa kanilang lahat, we can do everything. Charot, may ganon. Ayan. So, hindi talaga magpapaawat ang aking partner at ang kanyang pinakapaboritong kanta ay aming sinali sa aming first set. So, yeah.
Honestly, this is my first time na kakantahin tong song na to.
Really?
Yes. Medyo mahirap, pero we try our best, guys, to sing this song para sa inyong lahat.
Buhay pa ba ang
So,
lahat?
this is our last song for the first set, guys. So, hopefully, masabayan nyo kaming lahat.
Hopefully, gising na talaga silang lahat.
Sana malasing namin kayong lahat.
Sa ingay nating ito,
Oo.
wala talagang matutulog.
Yan, masakit
right,
lang.
guys?
Sana paglabas na hindi na sila bingi, ay, sana hindi sila bingi. Di ba? Sa ingay natin. Di ba? Ayan. Okay.
Right.
So this is our last song. Banal na Aso. Ayan, ay nagbalaban dyan. At, ayoko na. This, hey! Kaharap ko sa jeep ang isang ngalan nagrorosaryo, mata niya'y nakapikit.
Pumara sa may kumbento, sa babaan lang po, sabi ng tsuber. Kasi may nanguhuli, mura pa rin ang munang alin. Patay na aso, sakong kapayo, natatawa ka, ano man ang iyong ginagawa sa iyong kapatid, asya rin ginagawa mo sa akin.
Ano man ang iyong ginagawa sa iyong kapatid, ay siya rin ginagawa mo sa akin.
Ano man ang iyong ginagawa sa iyong kapatid, ay siya rin ginagawa mo sa akin. Ano man ang iyong ginagawa sa iyong kapatid, ginagawa mo sa akin. Banal na aso, santong kabayo,
Banal na aso, santong kabayo, natatawa ko.
banal na aso, santo kabayo. Banal na aso, santo kabayo, natatawa ko, natatawa ko, natatawa ko, natatawa ko, natatawa ko, natatawa ko. Sa iyo! Ayun! Awat na, awat
Sana
na.
bukas may buses pa tayo. Alright. So these are our last song for the first set, guys. So, tatawagin natin ang ating
Our partner in crime.
yung Apo Babe na original.
Yung original?
Yes.
Yung 2-in-1?
Kasi honestly, meron siyang hinanda para sa ating mga visitors tonight.
Pagkatapos
Yes.
namin kayong, tawag dyan,
Ito yung pinakamagaling.
handugan ng kanta
Handugan.
na maingay.
Yes.
Okay? Itong aming partner naman, si Chetsa, ay magbibigay sa inyo ng kasiyahan,
Kasiyahan.
katuwaan.
At ngiti sa labi.
Yes.
Dahil,
Okay. Ayan. Please welcome. Eto na ba to? Magpapakilala ka na ba?
yes. So please welcome.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Isa pa nga dyan. Yung malakas. Ano ba yan? Dinaya mo na naman ako, DJ eh. Thank you very much. Nagustuhan niyo po ba? Pwede, pwede. Pwede na ako umalis. Wag naman. Wala pa nga akong bayad. Kaya umorder pa kayo kasi dyan kukunin yung bayad sa amin. Ay, asa yung mga babae? Yung aming tip box, nandyan lang po sa tabi-tabi, maglagay lang po kayong 5, 10, 20. Wow, may presyo. Anyways, thank you very much. Nagustuhan niyo po ba yung Apo Babes kanina? Teka, nahirapan ako sa mic na to. Peging mic. Hello? Peging mic. Hello? Kuya, pahingi. Hello? Naka-off? Lindy ka, ano to? Bakit niya ina-off yung mic? Hello? Yan. Hindi na naman kayo nagbabayad ng kuryente. I love you. Ay! I love you, Bunso. Thank you for coming. Ngayon, narinig ko na yung sarili ko. Kanina hirap-hirap ako doon. Anyways, thank you very much. Kung na-appreciate you yung the greatest love of all, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. The best. Wow. Magkano yung the best na yan, mamaya, te? 20. Wow. Any 30? 30. Nag-auction. Oh, 30, si sir, 30 pounds. O, any 40? O, sure ka dyan, Jean? Pang babysitting mo yon. Ha? 50 years old. Any 40? 1, 2. O, sold ako sa 30. Sir, 30 ha, don't forget. Okay. O, lahat ng mga tao, abangan nyo yun si sir. Anyways, nagustuhan niyo po ba ulit ang Apo Babes kanina? Babalik pa sila. Mga bukas yata. Kasi ako lang mag-show hanggang mamaya, Chos. Anyways, may isa pa akong gagawin. Hopefully, magustuhan niyo uli. Pero kailangan ko ng kasama on stage. Kailangan ko ng kasama. Tsaka, kuya, pahinga ko ng isa pang chair. Ito pala chair. Ang bait naman ni Kuya. Yan. Pero kailangan ko totoong lalaki. May totoong lalaki ba dyan? Saan? Sino dyan? Si Paul, totoong lalaki ba yan? Hindi yan lalaki. Si Paula yan eh. O pare, paring Robert. Paring Robert. Ano ba yan? Eto si Kuya. Si Kuya na lang. Sino? Ayoko yan. Bakla rin yan eh. Eto si Kuya. Ayan nga ba yon? Akala ko yung lito doon. Kuya, sama mo naman ako sa stage. Kuya. Madalas mo lang ginagawa sa akin to, tinitira mo ko sa likod. Okay, gagawa po kami ng MTV. So, ay, Diyos kong gwapo. Coconut Martin. Nagkamot lang. Ilocano ka, di ba, kuya?
Saan?
Saan? Mapipulos? Naging Arabic. Ate Wenny, parang ang bag mo nga. Yan. Gucci. Pwedeng basagin to? Ang bigat? Ano laman nito? Okay, kuya, first scene. Kunwari nag-abang ako ng jeep. Tapos susunod ka sa akin. Tuturo ko sa'yo, ha? O, doon ka muna. Okay na tayo, kuya, ha? Okay. DJ, please. Teka lang, kuya, teka lang. Sorry po, technical error. Are you ready, guys? Okay, thank you. Ready, go. Joseph, wala akong nasabi ron, ah. Dapat nung una pa tayo gumawa ng MTV, kuya. Ang galing. Palakpakan niyo naman po, Kuya Lito. Grabe. Pinagpawisan ako. Napagod ako dun, ah. Anyways, dahil napagod ako, papahinga muna uli. Nagustuhan niyo po ba? Parang hindi naman. Hindi. Kasi naman, bakit ka nasa harapan eh? Anyways, thank you very much po sa lahat na naka-appreciate. Ang hirap gumawa ng MTV. Okay? Ngayon, punta tayo sa third part ng program. Tatawagin ko po yung mga best friends ng ating birthday celebrator. We will call on the best friends of our birthday celebrant. Kea and Paul. Please. Palakpakan niyo naman po sila. Sila po ay mga acoustic singer. Acoustic singer na wala naman pong record label. Charot. Sila po ay mag-asawa, kung di nyo po na itatanong. Kung ayaw nyo rin pong tanungin, sinasabi ko lang po. Ano, ikakabit ba yung guitar?
Walang ano yun eh.
Halika na, Clea, akit ka na rito.
Kailangan di ay.
Asan yung isang mic ulit? Nawala ulit yung mic, may kumain. Halika, Clea. Oh. Yung isang mic po, please. Yan. Ilan ba gagamitin nyo? Parang ang dami nyong bibig. At sa mga bagong dating po, thank you very much sa pagpunta at sa lahat po na nagsiselebrate ng birthday. Thank you very much for celebrating with us, Apo Resto Bar.
Magpakanta muna tayo,
magpakanta muna
kasi nga,
tayo.
hindi pa sila nakasit up ng kanilang gitara. So,
Okay.
Yes.
O sige.
Dalawa lang ha, dalawa lang.
Dalawa?
Yeah.
Kukuha ko sa bisita ko ha, kasi first time nila dito. Kukuha tayo sa bisita ko. Can I call on Jasmine, please? Asan si Jasmine? Ano yan? Kaliwaan? O sino? Wala si Jasmine? Mamaya na si Jasmine. Magpakanta muna tayo. Ayan si Mil. Mil? Ayan! Jasmine, can I call on stage, please? Paisang kanta lang, girl. Nga. Ay, hindi ka pa lasing. Diyos ko, Mariosep. Kailangan mo malalasing. Lasingin nyo nga ito. O, sino po? Si Mil. Andiyan po ba si Mil? Sensya lang po technical error. Live po tayo. Sino pa bang mga dyan? Mga songer? Dito. Ay, si Aaron. Aaron, bunso, can I ask you for one song, please? While they are getting ready. Aaron Gonzalez is one of the ARPO artists. He's doing performances every 1st of November. Diyos. Tsaka 29th of February. Yan. Actually, third Saturday or third Friday of every month, si Aaron po ay merong performances dito sa APO. So, hope you catch him as well. Catch him? Ready na? Ladies and gentlemen, Aaron! Palakpakan naman dyan! Thank you, Bunso. Nice to see you.
Happy birthday, Ate. Nandun sa blessing.
At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over. And life is
Sinong papatubig?
skies above are blue, and my heart was wrapped in clover. And find a dream that I can speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I find a dream to press that cheek to, a dream that I'll never know. When you smile, and then the smell was skies, and here we are in heaven. Oh, for you are mine, and
Thank you very much. Salamat po. Wow! Nandito pala si Simba. Magandang gabi, Simba.
Thank you very much, Aaron, our bunso. Ayan, nagpalit na naman ako. Nagka-transform talaga pag may ano, di ba? Woo! Ang sakit sa ulo, sa anit. Anyways, si Jasmine, are you ready na ba, Jasmine? Where's Jasmine? Jasmine? Wala. O sige, ako na lang. Pwede ba ako? Ha? More? Teka yung brief ko, tanala yung brief ko. Okay. Nakikita yung singit ko. O sige, kuya, lagyan mo nga ako ng ano dyan, no touch. Ano ka ganito, no touch? Jasmine, get ready, ah. Mga 2 o'clock. O, sayawan muna tayo. Everybody? Ganda mo yung mic ko, kuya. Hey! Dead na dead talaga ako sa mga pagkembot-kembot mo. Kapag ikaw ay ngumingiti, ako'y medyo natikiliti. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita may uwi? Sige na mamaya. Everybody! Noon pa man ikaw na talaga, pangarap ko sa tuwid-tuwid na. Kailan kaya kita ma-score? Kailan kaya kita ma-adore? Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita may uwi? Hey! Dito, dito, dito! Pahibo naman, pahawak naman, hindi na kita matsansingan. Hey! Pag lumakad ka, ika'y nakakatukso, nakakabaliw ang bewang mo. Ako'y nadyadyay lumapit sa'yo, masyadong class ang forma mo. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. Kailan kaya kita may uwi? Sapa! Pahibo naman, hawak naman, hindi na kita matsansingan. Kailangan ko ang iyong love, hinigal ako ang iyong bisig. Saklolo, kita may uwi. Kuya Saklolo.
Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi. kaya kita makatatabi.
Mamaya.
Ayan.
Ang galing mo sumalo, kuya. Hiningal ako doon.
Ang galing naman.
Ito naman.
Wah!
Malit na bagay.
Si Cheche, hindi ba patalo?
Yes.
Yes.
Meron bang nurse dyan? Kailangan ko ng BP.
Ayan. So,
Ready na ba yan? Ready na.
ayan. So, tatawagin na natin ang ating Mrs. and Mr. Atienza.
Mga best...
Hayaan mo na.
mga best friend mo ba yan?
Yes. Ito lang naman sila ang mga close friend ko. Yan. Hindi kasi mabubuo yung araw, ay yung birthday ko pag wala sila. Kasi ito talaga mga busy itong tao eh.
Sila ba magbabayad niyan?
Sila magbabayad sa akin. Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Guys,
Hindi nyo ba alam,
hindi.
si Clea ay nanalo, ay second runner-up ng first season karaoke.
Oh.
Yes. At si Paul naman ay isang musician. Yan.
Ang
Isa sa
nanalo doon,
magaling.
si Lito?
Sa
Si Lito Camo.
Si Lito yung first.
First karaoke challenge champion ng Apo Resto Bar.
Ayan.
Si Lito, kung kumanta, puro medley. Yun yun.
Pang dalawang araw yun.
Pang dalawang araw.
Ayan.
O, ready na ba yan?
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan. Ito, songer din po siya, songer.
Magandang gabi po.
Okay, guys, please welcome Kea and Paul.
Yes.
Ay, salamat. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday po sa lahat ng may birthday, especially po kay Ate Maricel. So, after po ng ating mga magagaling na performance, melo-melo muna po tayo. Sabay po kayo sa first song by Stevie Wonder's Overjoyed. Sabayan niyo po ako.
Over time, I've been
Wala bang palakpak dyan?
a castle of love, just for two. Though you never knew you would be son, I've gone much too far for you now to say that I've got to throw my castle away over dreams. I have picked out a perfect come true. Though you never knew it was of you, I've been dreaming. The Sandman has come from too far away for you to say come back some other day. And though you don't believe that they do come true. For in my dreams come true when I looked at you, and maybe too with you would believe. You too might be overjoyed, overloved, over me. Over hearts I have painfully turned every stone, just to find I have found what I've searched to discover. I've come much too far for me to now. The love that I've sought can never be mine. And though you don't believe that they do come true. For did my dreams
come true when I looked at you. And maybe too, if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed, overloved, over me. And only as improbable, what do they know? For in romance, all true love needs is a chance. And maybe with a chance you will find you too, like I, overjoyed, overloved, over you. Ooh, over you. Thank you po.
Galing.
Happy birthday po ulit sa lahat ng may birthday.
Ayan.
Order pa po kayo. Next song ay pwede niyo po akong sabayan. It's called Angel Baby. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I need a lover to keep me sane, pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic, giving my all when I don't even have it. I always dreamed of a solemn face, someone who feels like a holiday. But now in pieces, barely believe it, starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out of blue on a rainy night. No lie, I'll tell you how I almost died while you would bring me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. I started giving up on the word forever, until you gave up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby. You're my angel, angel baby. I fall in love with the little things, counting the tattoos on your skin. Tell you a secret, and baby I'll keep it, and maybe we could place for the weekend. You came out of room on a rainy night. Oh Lord, I tell you how I almost died while you me bring back to life. I just wanna build this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Started with a word forever, until you gave up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby. You're my angel, angel baby. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever, till you give it together. You're my angel, angel. You're my angel, baby.
You're my angel, baby. Baby, you're my angel. Angel, baby. Thank you.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Ang galing.
Thank you po.
Walang kupas. Ayan. Tumanda.
Smile whenever you're sad. Carry around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get your medicine when your tummy aches. Build your fire in the furnace breaks. So it could be so nice growing old with you. I miss you, kiss you. Give me your coat when you are cold. I need you, feed you, even let you down. Kasama kang tumanda. Oh, sasamahan kahit kailanman. Mahigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man ng 3,001. Tek-tek, pagtapos mamalansya, kahit abot-abutin man ako ng pasma, o kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Oh, sasamahan kahit kailanman. Umigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo ng 3,001. So let me kiss and sing, put you to bed when you have too much to drink. Oh, could be the girl who grows old with you.
Ang ako sa'yo, simula sa araw na ito, iaalay sa'yo buong puso ko. O kay sarap isipin
Kasama ka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sarili ko, panglahatan na po to na sana ngayong gabi mag-enjoy tayong lahat at bigyan tayo ng more blessings and a good health at sa ating pamilya back Philippines. So sana sa lahat ng sana lahat ng friendship natin ay sana magkaayos lahat-lahat. Kalimutan kung anumang hindi kanais-nais nangyari. So lahat kami nagpapasalamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagdating.
Years of our friendship.
Yeah, 6 years na magkakaibigan kami. So maraming salamat.
Happy 6 years.
Sa lahat ng suporta. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Hindi ako iiyak kasi may kanta pa kami. Maraming salamat. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Iuuwi ko na rin.
Ayan, so mag-continue na tayo. Para naman makakanta at sumayaw ng mga ating mga magagandang dilag ngayong gabi. Kasi alam ko, meron tayong mga meron tayong mga nandito ngayon na mahilig mag-disco. So, tuloy-tuloy natin ang ating program. So, sino may gustong kumanta? Si Jasmine. Where's Jasmine? Ay, come here, darling. Oh, darling.
Si Jasmine, yung aking newfound friend.
Yes.
Oh, si Jasmine tsaka si Lito.
Where's Jasmine?
Magjo-jowet sila.
May ano ba yan? May lagay ba yan?
Maglalagay sila mamaya.
Huwag ka magpakanta pag walang lagay.
Oh,
Joke lang, ha?
Lito, sabi mo na yung kanta.
Ayan.
Hello, Jasmine. Oh, thank you.
Ay.
This is Maricel. This is Jasmine.
Mama, natalo yung suso ko ngayong gabi.
Dito ka sa gitna, ate.
Parang naging bata.
Sa gitna ka.
Ayan.
Yan. Yung aking newfound friend, Jasmine and Ninang, and to all there 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi. Hope you enjoy the night. Maliban kay Lito. Okay, ready na? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Lito and Jasmine.
How do you keep the music playing? How do you make it last? How do you keep the song from fading too fast?
How do you lose yourself to someone and never lose your way? How do you not run of things to say?
And since we know we're always changing, how can it be the same?
And tell me how year after year you're sure your heart will fall apart each time you hear his name.
I know the way I feel for you is now on a
The more love, the more that I'm afraid. And in your eyes, I may not see forever, forever.
If we can be the best of lovers, yet be the best of friends.
If we can try with every day to make it better as it grows.
With any luck, then I suppose the music never ends.
Ooh, I know the way I feel for you is now never.
How do you make it last? How do you keep the song from
I may not see
fading? Keep the song from fading forever. If we can be the best of lovers, yet be the best of friends. If we can try with every day to make it better as it grows. With any luck, then I suppose the music never ends. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Che.
Thank you, Miss Jasmine and Lito. Sawa na ako sa'yo dito. Woo! Ano na tayo? Ano na? Lasing na ba lahat? O order pa kayo. Wala pa kami sa budget. Order pa. Yung mga bagong dating, to all newcomers, thank you very much. Good evening. Diyos ko, parang ang dami, ang haba ng pila sa labas. Okay. Bago mag-second set ang mga babae, parang hindi ako babae. Sige nga kuya, i-play mo ngayon sa akin. Please. Okay. Magla-last song ako. Charot! Last song talaga. Pengi namang mic stand. Parang ang dami ko namang ginagawa sa stage, di ba? Oh, thank you, darling. Mag-tip ka na lang, 10 pounds. Ay, putik. Anyway, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ng live, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ano ba ito? Ay, mali. Sorry, mali. Ano ba yan? Asan bang mic? Sensya na po, live tayo. Ay talaga, hawakan ko na nga lang, lintik. O sige, kuya, please. Para po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga may bashers, ito po ang kanta para sa atin. Hope you like this, guys. Hindi ko alam kantahin eh. Every day is so wonderful, then suddenly it's hard to breathe. Now and then I get insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. Taray, di ba? I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring me down. Oh no. So don't you bring me down today. To all your friends, you're delirious, so consumed in all your doom, trying hard to fill the emptiness. The peace is gone, left the puzzle undone. Is that the way it is? 'Cause you are beautiful no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. No, no. 'Cause you are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring you down. Oh no. So don't you bring me down today.
No matter what we do,
No matter what we do,
no matter what we say,
no matter what we
we're
say.
the song inside the tune.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Mistakes. And everywhere we go,
Everywhere we go,
the sun will always shine.
the sun will
And
always
tomorrow we might
hear what they say. Yes, words won't bring us down. No, no. Hey. We are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring us down. Oh no. So don't you bring me down.
today. Don't you bring me down today.
Sumabit.
Ooh. Don't you bring me down today.
Yuhu, thank you very much. Oh, di ba? I feel so beautiful tonight. Payag ba kayo? Bakit pwede na yes or no lang? Me too. And I'm single. Huh? Yes, kuya. I look like double, but I'm single. Sometimes extra large, double extra large. All right, guys. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Hello? Tao po. Tao po. Araneta, are you having fun? Yun! Diyos ko, kinabahan. Isang kanta pa nga dyan, charot. Ay, may bayad ba yon? Wala. Okay, I'll bring back to you the Apo Babe!
Yes, nagbabalik. Ayan.
Dalian nyo, ha?
Ayan, ayun. Alright, we're back again with a new outfit, Charot. May gano'n. Haba nun ah. Bakit gano'n yun? Gulat ako dun ah. Wait lang, I need mic stand also. Wait. Ayan. O diba, ganito talaga, sariling sikap.
Ayan, sayaw.
Kuya, I need assistant here. Is anybody available? Can you please, Aaron? Yung matangkad, yung halos hanggang dun sa ano. Okay. That's fine. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Ayan.
Hindi daw siya marunong kumanon.
Ha? No. Ito. Ano ba yan? Kamayin na daw. Kakamayin
Kasi
ba?
ang aming mic, hindi kasya dito. So,
Why?
I don't know.
Wala na?
Okay. So,
Oo, sige. Atras daw yung stand. Ano ba yan?
ayan, shout out lang kay Ate Jasmine na nagbigay.
Alright.
Okay?
Who's willing to join us and dance in the floor? So,
Ayan, sayawan muna
everyone,
tayo.
sayawan tayo ngayon.
Kasi nanahimik na silang lahat.
Ano po? Rock ba?
Rock.
Grabe, na-enjoy ata ni ate yung rock. Oh. Thank you so much. But we are on our second set. So, our second set is disco. So, let's
Okay?
give it on. Ano na?
Ayan, para sa inyong lahat.
Let's dance, ladies! Come on!
When you call me,
Come on!
when you hear me play, I got wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive. When you look at me, I could touch the sky. I know that I'm alive. When you play
your spirit high, God knows that I'll be the one standing by to you in your trying time. And it's only because I can't wait for the rest of my life. When you call on me, when you wish for me, when you wish for me, I get wings to fly. I feel kind when you bless the day. When you bless the day, I just drip away. I just drip away. All my worries die. I know that I'm alive. I just wish to God that knows that I'm alive. Tuloy-tuloy tayo.
Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Standby lang po.
Here we go.
Yan, standby lang.
Hey, let's dance, guys! Tayo-tayo na. Baka ma-high blood kayo dyan. Thank you.
Kuya, I'm sorry, but this is, I think it's a man. I mean, the version boy is for boy. The green one, please. Yeah, that one. The second one. No, the first one. Yes, that one.
Ayan. Ayan. sorry
Ayan.
naman. Ay,
Sa sobrang excited ni Kuya, na-play niya yung panglalaki. Sing. Hindi version.
you're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Hold me like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
The love has arrived. Don't move. We're not done yet.
Come on!
Yeah, isa pa.
Nag-umpisa pa lang tayong umingit.
Yan.
Kuya, that's not the one.
Yeah. Kuya, I'm really sorry. Is that technical error, I think?
Pasensya po.
Kuya naman, andito na naman tayo eh. Nag-iinit na sila eh. Nagpapawis na eh. Ayun tayo eh. Extra. Strap. Don't move, girls, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Ayan. Come on, my partner. How does...
Last days, last chance for love. Last chance for my way beside me to guide me, to hold away this cold away. 'Cause when I'm bad, I'm so bad.
Are you ready, girls? Go!
So let's dance, let's dance, so let's dance, let's dance, so let's dance tonight. Oh, this is my last chance for romance tonight.
How many do we have now? Well, continue mo yan, kuya. Walang upuan, sabi niya.
Yes.
Yan.
Listen to this song. Hypocrite, I ever let you go, Mamma Mia. Can't let it go, Mama. I should never let you go.
Yan.
Yes.
Oh my God. Halatang hindi kami pagod.
Hello? Ang tagal ko naghintay, niyata kayo.
Oh my God.
Ang galing-galing naman ang Apo Babes. Palakpakan nyo
Wala
naman.
ba palakpak dyan?
Ayan.
Before you can go, guys, I'm sorry. Because I think one of our visitors is leaving, but I want them to hear one of our songs.
Yes,
Can you do
may
it?
closing song pa po kami. Sandali na lang po ito.
Mga ate,
Kailan kayo?
Sandali na lang po ito. Kailangan po namin ng 20 pounds.
sandali na lang to.
Bago po umuwi, 20 pounds.
Ito yung highlight eh, di ba?
Highlight talaga?
Magkaubusan na talaga
Oh,
ng
sige.
boses.
Ngayon, hinahamon nyo ako ha. Sige.
Oh my God.
Gusto niyo ba marinig si Abigail mag-rap?
Wow.
Ibibigay ko na yan sa'yo.
Mayayabang kami.
Walang bigayan.
Wala ba? Pati sa tip, walang bigayan.
Wala
Charot.
rin. Sa tip, kanya-kanya tayo.
Parang
Anyways,
wala pa eh.
I would like to thank every one of you for coming tonight to watch our show.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
And thank you po sa management. Lalo na po kay Kuya Jake at Ate
Ate Eileen.
Na suporta sa amin po na mag-show tonight. So maraming salamat po. Sa lahat ng friend namin nandito na pumunta, nakisaya sa amin ngayong gabi.
Maraming
salamat po.
Yeah.
Ayan.
At sa ating DJ!
Yeah.
Yes.
Yung
Kuya,
gwapong-
thank you.
Yung
Mabuhay ang
gwapong
DJ.
DJ!
Mabuhay ang DJ. Di ba,
Bigyan mo
Kuya?
rin kami ng tip.
Painumin ng alak yan
Yes.
mamaya.
And
Ayan.
again, happy Mother's Day to all the
Yes,
mothers.
in
Advance, yes.
Yes. At sa lahat ng nanood ng live, maraming
Ayan,
salamat
sa lahat
po.
ng
Pala
mga
tayo
viewers.
nakapag-shout out.
Maraming salamat.
And-
Shout-out muna tayo, Ate
Shout out
Karen.
po naman tayo. Ayan.
Yan, kay Ate Jasmine uli. Ate,
Hello
shout-out
kay
to you.
Ate She, kay Ate Janet Pendel, Ignacio Tolino, thank you for watching.
How many viewers we have?
4 million.
Oh, wow. That's a lot. Di
Ang
ba?
dami, di ba?
Ayun, marami.
Hindi
Si
ko nakita
Mama
yung
Ambi,
00.
thank you very much. And we would like to acknowledge Joel Miranda, one of the artists, and Jollity, thank you for coming.
Yeah, sumabol
ayun
sila.
pala,
Thanks mo.
Si Diva D, si Ate
Ay,
Gin,
nandyan si-
nandyan din. At ang Prime Minister ng
Yes,
Portugal.
maraming salamat for coming, guys.
At sa lahat po na nanood ng live, thank you very much. I would like to thank for my outfit, Oro Funeraria.
Wow. Kaninong ano yan?
Funeraria Oro, balik-balik sa palok. Thank you very much, guys. This is our last song for tonight. And magdidisco muna tayo, then babalik tayo for karaoke. So send in your request. Go, kuya! She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time. Hey! She got a body like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive. Oh! See, anybody could be bad to you. You need a good girl to blow your mind. Yeah.
Down into the room.
I know you want it.
Down all over you.
I'll let you have it.
The man that let you take you now. When the man that tell you.
Hey.
Down, there goes your heart.
I know you want it.
Down, see on my car.
I'll let you have it.
The man that let you take you now. When the man that tell you.
Hey.
She might have let you hold her hand in school, but I'm to show you how to run away. Woo! You want to need to hear to talk. Just come and show me what your mama gave.
Oh.
But don't say a thing. See, now the party could be good to you. You need a bad girl, you blow your mind. Hey. Bang, bang, into the room. I know you want it. Bang, bang, all over you.
I'll let you have it.
Wait a minute till you take you now. Wait a minute till you.
Hey.
Tipping and going, winning in the lottery, dripping in the pot. Get it so good, get it drop it so wood, get it hard, and it will make a good go. Down my road, we get it pound, rock, walking out, queen, nigga, don't mean a pump. If you trust me and Aaron, if you test me, it's alright. Like it's hard like a hornet, you pull up in this Ferrari. If you hanging with banging, oh, bragging, you're slagging. And the karaoke not, I got the microphone saying. D to the A, to the M, to the G, to the L, B to the A, to the M, to the G,
to the head.
See all the body could be good to you. You need a band that you blow your mind. Your mind. I know you want it. All over you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let you make you know. Wait a minute, tell you all. Hey, don't you so hard. I know you want it. Bad, see the car. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, tell you all.
Hi everyone! We are the Apple Babes. My name is Marisa. And I'm Abby.
And I'm Cheche. Please do like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel, Apple Reservoir Entertainment. Click here.